What's up, friends? Welcome back to another Caiti vlog. I just uploaded the last vlog on my vlog channel today, which was like 5-ish days ago, and I realized I should probably vlog. So today it is Wednesday, June 3rd. It's June. Can y'all believe that? That's crazy to me. We're on summer. I've been on summer for like a week or 2 weeks already, but it's crazy. Actually, I have some very exciting news. I am going to Florida this Saturday. Basically, I have cousins that live in Florida in the Panhandle, in Tallahassee and Port St. Joe. My two girl cousins, they're actually my second cousins, and normally I go to sleepaway camp with them every single summer. If you watched my sleepaway camp vlog from last summer, you'll recognize them, but their names are Nat and Ellie, and I love them so much. So I'm going to spend a week with them, and I'm so excited. It's in the beach in Florida, and Cole's going to the beach the same week that I'm going to in Florida, but he'll be in Seaside, Florida. I just wanted to clear that up. We'll be in two different places, but during the same week, so there might be a little confusion there, but I'll be in Port St. Joe, Florida, which is a tiny little beach town with my cousins, and I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to spend time with girls and get out of my house and just be around my family, because I have not seen them since last year. My mom and my brother are gonna drive me there, and then I think they're gonna spend the night and then drive back, but I'll be there. They're gonna drop me off, and then we get our boat June 12th in Blue Ridge. It's 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and if you haven't seen my Instagram, my community pool has basically reopened, and they have like social distancing practices going on at the pool. I've gone to the pool the past 2 days. Yesterday I went with Cole, and the day before I went with my brothers, and Cole was gonna come today and bring one of his friends, but none of them can go. So I have reservations from 1 to 4 at the pool. It's already 1:15, so I don't know if I'm gonna go to the pool by myself. So my dad just got back from my PO box, and I had a ton of fan mail came in, and I opened that, but I don't want to do another fan mail unboxing because I just did one in my last vlog, but I got like 10 more letters, so thank you to everyone who sent me them. I read all of them and I opened all of them. This company called Alex Mika sent me some really beautiful jewelry, and they DM'd me on Instagram, so I knew it was coming, but I just wanted to show you guys because I think I'm gonna change out my earrings. You guys know I constantly change out my necklaces. Right now I'm wearing this one that I normally always wear. Cole got it for me, and then this one is from this Instagram shop called Beads by KW, and she sent me this. I love her jewelry. I've been wearing this one for the past like 3 days or something, but she makes really cute like beachy jewelry, and I love her. She's a subscriber, so thank you to her. I'm not gonna put the necklaces on now because my brother and I are gonna go to the pool. Cam actually agreed to go to the pool with me. Chase yelled at me, but it's okay. Here are the necklaces. This one is just a C necklace, which is really pretty, and then this one says Caiti, and of course it's silver, like little pretty diamonds, and they are separate. It's just like on this thing together. These are super pretty, and you will definitely see me wear those soon. I just don't want to get them all dirty with sunscreen and pool water and stuff. And then they sent me 2 pairs of earrings, which are also silver. So first are these little paperclip safety pin earrings. They're so cute, and I will definitely be wearing these. And then these are just some like silver studs, which I really like because the silver studs that I have right now are really small, and I want to change them out into these bigger silver studs. And also, I don't know if you guys noticed, normally I wear these cuff earrings. This is kind of weird to show you my ears up close, but here you go. So I got this diamond cuff earring for Christmas this year for my parents, and then this silver one is just when I got my second ear pierced last summer. So it's almost been a year since I got my second hole pierced, which is so crazy. Normally I wear the cuff on my first piercing and the diamond, like the little stud, on my second piercing, and I changed it out like a week ago, and now I'm gonna change it out again. This cuff has been itching my ear so bad on the second hole. I want so many more piercings, but my mom is like so against that stuff. I've talked about this on my channel before. I love tattoos and piercings, and like I don't like crazy ones or too much, but I do just love the look of them. I think it's just like art that you get to express on your body, and I'm so down for that. Like my dad has a few tattoos that are small. My mom hates all of them, but he has some. And my mom only has 1 ear piercing. I begged her for like 3 years to get my second piercing, and every time she said no. And then finally I made a PowerPoint. Yeah, a PowerPoint and I had to convince her, and she said yes last summer, so I got it pierced. There's a video on my main channel of me and my best friend Maddie getting them done together. I want more, but she made me promise when I got my second hole that I wouldn't get any more till I turned 18, so I can't. I really want my third piercing, like my third earlobe, and then a cartilage and a belly button. You see, that's where my mom is a little bit of a hypocrite. We love you, Carrie, but she had her belly button pierced, and she's so against me getting any more piercings, but it's okay, I guess. Gotta follow her rules till I'm 18. The studs are super cute. They're much bigger and way shinier, probably because I've worn these for literally like a year, like entirely. Thank you, Alex Mika, for sending me all this jewelry. I'm definitely gonna wear it, and you'll definitely see me wear it. Now I'm gonna put on a bikini, and we're gonna go to the pool. We are, wow, I'm red. We are back from the pool, and it's now 4 p.m. We were there for 2 hours, and I think I got a little bit burnt. I'm gonna change out of my wet bathing suit, shower off a little bit. I washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not gonna wash wash it now, but I'm going to shower off all the chlorine because I actually did get in the water. I just had my hair in a bun. So I'm continuing the vlog today. I think it's been 1 or 2 days since I last vlogged. It is now Friday. I'm not entirely sure the exact date. I think it's June 5th. It's Friday. It's 1 p.m. I woke up at 12 and I'm going to Walmart and to Chipotle with Cole today because we both leave to go to Florida tomorrow. Like I said, we're going to 2 different parts of Florida, hours away from each other, but we're both going to be at the beach for a week and I'm so excited. I've been packing all morning. I have a few things laid out, but not everything because I need a few things from Walmart, and we're gonna eat lunch together because we both woke up at 12, so we weren't that hungry, and now it's 1 and he's coming to pick me up. I'm terrible at packing. I always overpack or underpack, and I just procrastinate because of course I do it the day before I leave. I want to get a new pair of sunglasses. I have all of these, but I feel like they all fit weirdly on my face. Like these are like baddie sunglasses that don't actually help anything. I actually like these. These are nice, but they're pink reflection, and then these are too small for my face, so let me add that to my Walmart list. Oh yeah, here's my Walmart list, by the way. Sunglasses. Like I explained already, as soon as I get back from the beach, I'm going straight to my mountain cabin. So it's gonna be the last time I see him for probably like 2 weeks, which sucks. So I don't want to have a camera in our face. We just want to experience the moment. I might vlog a little bit on my phone, like a teeny weetsy beatsy tiny amount. But other than that, I will see you guys when I'm back so we can pack together. Pack with me for vacation. First time in like 5 months because of Corona. Just kidding, like 4. And so it returns.
I killed you last time.
Was this in my last vlog we played ping pong? We went to Chipotle and to Walmart and got all my stuff, and I'll do a haul in a second, but Cole's here for just a few minutes and we're gonna play ping pong.
Maybe 1 or 2 games.
And he's gonna beat me like he always does.
How does he have that much accuracy?
That hit my camera.
The lens.
It's gonna be like that baseball video
Yeah.
on TikTok. Okay, fellas, so Cole left. I had a good like 2 hours with him. It was perfect. I saw him yesterday when we went cliff jumping, but I just wanted to see him before he left, and we both left, so that was good. But I'm gonna do a little Walmart haul because I did get 3 bagfuls of stuff, and I've actually been really good at not spending money. Like, I haven't spent money in a while, like a big amount of money, but there was a few things that I just needed and wanted from Walmart, so I splurged a little bit. I ended up spending like $66. But it's okay. I'm just gonna start with this. I got 2 candles. I normally get my candles from Bath & Body Works, but the Bath & Body Works closest to me is closed and it's in the mall, and the mall's closed, so I needed some candles. I constantly burn them, and I've been burning this one, but it honestly doesn't smell that good, so I just got 2. They're summer scents, and for summer, I love fruity smells or like tropical smells. So this first one is Mango Melon. It has a super pretty cover, and it just smells so good. Fresh, sweet. I really like this one. And it's orange, which y'all know I've been loving orange recently. My whole Instagram is like orange now, but here's the next one. It's called Pineapple Lily. Ooh, I didn't even know that was what it's called. Again, it has a pretty color. It's orange. This one smells really sweet. Not as fruity, but it smells really sweet. So I got these 2. These were like $5 each, so that's a really good deal. It's at Bath & Body Works. 1 candle is like $25, so Walmart's the way to go. Then I just needed a few things for my beach trip. Like I said, a few small things. I ran out of mascara, and I still don't have a favorite one. Like, I have a few ones that I switch out from, so I got this one. It's Maybelline Colossal Cat Eyes, and it's yellow, which I love. So I just got this one. I can take that to the beach. I haven't been wearing makeup that much, so a lot of my mascaras have dried out. Then I got more of my favorite moisturizer, just because the one that I'm using right now, which I always use this one, it's Cerave PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I've been using this for years, like 3 years, I think. And the one that I have right now is almost running out, so I don't want to take one that's almost running out to the beach in case I run out while I'm there, so I got a brand new one. Then I got a tiny Garnier Micellar water, just because I don't want to take a big one again while I'm traveling. This is perfect. I'd never seen such a small one before. Then I got a bandana. I wanted to get a bunch of different colors because these were 97 cents. Like, what? I don't know. Bandanas are super popular. A lot of people have been wearing them as a t-shirt, like a tie top, and I have too much in my upper area for that situation. During summer camp, like I said, when I went to sleepaway camp, bandanas were like the thing. I wore one all the time. I had a yellow, a blue, a red, and we all just kind of shared them, all the girls in my sleepaway camp, and I never had one myself, so I just got a fun red bandana because I also love the color red, just to tie in my hair. And then I got a pair of sunglasses. Like I said, I was looking for a good solid pair. There was a different pair that was honestly my favorite, but Cole said he didn't like those. So I went with these. Hopefully they look good on me. Please let me know. These are like all my beach products that I got that I actually needed. Here are like the 4 items that I didn't need. I don't remember if I mentioned this in this vlog, but there's like these pair of shorts that was going around on TikTok that you get from Walmart that are so popular, and everyone's like, they're Lululemon dupes, like Lululemon short dupes. So I got them to try them. I got mine in a medium, but they're this super fun pair of athletic shorts. Comes in a super fun purple color. They had lots of different colors, but you can see that's what the sides look like. I'm super excited to try them. I got them in purple, and guess what? In orange, because I have all basic like bottoms that are running athletic shorts from Nike and Under Armour and Adidas. Like I have a bunch of these style of shorts in white and gray and black, that kind of stuff. So I wanted to get fun colors for the summer. This orange is so pretty, and so is the purple. Cole was like, get the purple, and I was like, okay, but I really want the orange. So I got both. Hopefully they'll fit, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about them, but I'm so excited. If these are like really, really good and they're from Walmart for 10 bucks each, that's amazing. And then the last thing that I got is just an oversized tee. Honestly, I have like all the oversized graphic t-shirts from Walmart because I just love them. That's where I get a lot of my oversized graphic tees because they're so cheap, so comfy, and I get them in like a men's extra large, so they're oversized. I've seen this one for a long time and I think it's hilarious. So it's just a y'all need Jesus tee and it's from the men's section and it's XL. So that's my Walmart haul. It was just fun to get out of the house, go shopping. It's like fake shopping, you know, but hopefully you enjoyed. I'm not gonna record me packing, I don't think, simply because I'm gonna play music and videos while I do that to distract myself because of how much I hate packing. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. It was kind of all over the place, but hopefully you enjoyed it. I don't know how much I'm gonna be posting on my main channel just because during this time and everything going on in the world, I don't want to distract people from like the main message, but I also want to post content to get people away from that stuff and still be happy and have like an outlet to express themselves. I don't know, like I want to provide positive, happy content during this time, so not the whole world is negative. But I honestly don't have any main channel video ideas just because it's so hard to film stuff right now. It's just been hard for me to think of main channel video ideas, and with the whole world like in chaos. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe. We hit 140,000 on this channel, which is so cool. I think we're almost at 142,000 or something like that. But thank you guys for this channel and all the love on it. I love my vlog channel. Follow my Instagram. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Peace in the Middle East.